There's a large population of adults who are not qualified for Medicaid here in Virginia.
The insurance was $1,500 without no insurance, and we couldn't afford it.
Ruben used to be a chef. He was really active in the community and just became disabled as a result of hypertension, diabetes, as well as some really bad arthritis. He got on disability, but unfortunately you can't get Medicare until you've been on disability for 2 years. So for that 2 years, we've been his primary care physician.
I check my sugar, they check my acuminum, check my high blood pressure, they check my cholesterol.
And they're able to get connected here to a primary care where they can establish a relationship, where we can check their blood every 3 or 6 months, follow up a standard of care that you would be able to get from your private health insurance and your private health care provider. We used to have a lot of different clinics. Now we've kind of centralized to have larger clinics with more services so that we can provide more meds and a pharmacy and a lot of specialty care under one roof. We've grown astronomically due to the economy right now and the increased number of people without insurance.
Blood pressure medicine that I'm taking now, he changed it, costs $200 for 30 pills. So that's why I thank God for Crossover Clinic.